I would drop Paul.
Yeah,
And to be honest with you, Paul had a very good first
he
half.
did. First half
Yeah.
was brilliant.
But obviously, they've also studied him and they made sure that every time somebody tackles, there's somebody stopping him
Yeah,
not to get
yeah.
not to,
Not to
contest,
get to go over
not
over
to
the ball.
contest
Yeah,
for the ball.
yeah.
But also again, I'll have him on the bench though as well.
Okay, you will have him on the
Yeah,
bench.
so
Okay.
that he
So
can just.
who'd be your starting lineup?
I'll keep the same team as you. I'll put Sia
Yeah, at 6.
at 6.
Yeah,
I'll stick to Sasha
yeah. Oh, you stick
because
to Sasha.
yeah.
Okay.
So we're already in this thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll stick to Sasha, but also I'll try and introduce Kobus very early.
Oh, Reinig.
Yeah.
Oh, Visa.
No, Kobus Ranach.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And at 11, even if I move Churchden to 11 and have Moody at 14.
Oh, you bringing Moody?
Mm.
Okay, okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And have Moody at 14
Yeah.
and have Damon at 15.